Hey guys, I have another product I wanted to review for you guys, and I definitely recommend this. I'm just going to start off by saying that we have had a couple of different sound machines in both of our kids' rooms, and this one is a game changer. It is so much louder, and there's so many more choices to pick from. So this one that I did receive free to review, we have been using this, I would say, for at least a solid month now. Absolutely love it. Like I said, it has multiple scenery things. Here's just a quick of a couple of noises that it makes. So anyway, I'm just going to make this a quick review, so I won't take up too much of your time because it is just a sound machine. But if you need something really loud, I know when we used to live in an apartment, we had one in our room and it just drowned out the noise. This one is your go-to, definitely. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. But let me just quickly show you some of the things down here. Really simple to use. So you have your power button. This is your volume right here, and it can also set a timer, but we like to leave this on all night for Caroline because it's in here in her room. But you have 30 minutes, 60, and 90 if you need a timer. This would be the fan, and I think this one's like that heartbeat, and this one's just some different music, but when you touch it, it changes. So I'm going to be quiet now and do just a couple of settings, that way you can hear. And also, it's really nice, you can put headphones right here if you wanted to just listen to some music just to kind of unwind for the day, but you don't want anyone else to hear it. So I'm going to turn this on and do a couple of things so that way you can hear the sound. And you can see I'm turning it low, very low. And this is actually a fire noise, like a burning fire. And you just turn it up and it gets really loud. So the last noise, this one right here, is the white noise. That's the one we use in here in Caroline's room. But as you can see, I could keep clicking this. There's so many different noises, which is really nice because everyone has a different preference. So, but yeah, we have really enjoyed this, and I just love the top. It completely has the speaker, very versatile, with the cord underneath, so it's nicely tucked, it's not sticking out. This is not wobbly since it has that wraparound cord at the bottom. But we have really enjoyed this, and it's not too big. It's pretty much about the size of my hand, about the palm size. So, you know, it doesn't take up too much room, especially if you want to put it on a nightstand. It's on a dresser in here in her Caroline's room. But yeah, we really love it. We've actually noticed she's sleeping a lot better because this one is louder than the previous sound machine. I felt like it wasn't getting loud enough. So this one, we really feel like this one has helped her sleep a little bit better with naps. I don't know, maybe that's just a fleek that's happening right now, but she has really slept well lately. So anyway, I will put all the info down below of this white noise sound machine. And yeah, I mean, I really do recommend this. We really enjoy the different sounds, and the volume, and also the timer is really nice. So if you have any questions, just leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.